Hey everyone, here's to the new beginnings. For my very first upload, I'm gonna give you a tour of GITAM Girls Hostel tour. So let's get into it. So as soon as you step out of the college, here's a way where you reach the hostel. It's a mini walk. And here you reach the end of the footpath. This thing right over here is the hostel. You have two blocks in it. One's Q and another block is P. As soon as you enter, you can see first you're gonna watch Q block, and behind that you also have P block. There are two blocks in the hostel, and currently now we are in Q block, we're in the top floor. And when you see, this is how entire thing looks like. Before I was standing over there. In here, this is something where you can like sit and chill, that area, the benches. Now let's go see the washrooms. So here we do have only common washrooms. There's no attached washrooms, so everyone must use the common washrooms. And this is how the floor looks like. And this is a premium room. There's actually two types of rooms. One's the regular room and one's the premium room. So this is how it looks like. The only thing is it's a bit extra furnished. The cupboards, the table, everything are well furnished than the regular rooms. Here are the cupboards. Here are the cupboards. You have plenty of space over here to keep your things. And there's a shoe rack over there. And you will also get a mirror, full length mirror, which is actually a good benefit, whereas in the regular rooms you won't be getting those full length mirror and those cupboards. And here right behind the room will be having a water filter. It's same for every floor. Right behind the rooms we have a water filter. And here's the staircase. We do also have a lift. It's like about 3 floors. As we move forward, as I said, we have two blocks. This is Q, right? Now we're entering into P block. We have a lift in between the both of the blocks. So this is P block. Now let's go and check the rooms. So as I said, this is how every room looks like. The regular rooms, entire P blocks. They do also have premium rooms. So this is how the regular room looks like. This is a 4 sharing room. And this is how it looks like. You'll be having your 4 beds and each of them will be getting a table, and there are your cupboards, and you'll be getting hangers. That's how the room looks like. And here's a water filter right behind the rooms. As I told you, each floor has a water filter. And now we're getting to the ground floor. So this part is exactly between two of the blocks. So here, this is a place where you can hang your washed clothes which you get from your laundry. There's a laundry room in both the blocks, and this is a medical room you have in stationery. And here you can just sit and chill. You'll be having a bhaiya who will be giving juice. It's like a juice shop. And here we have gym, a small gym, but it's fine. It's pretty well good. Here we do have a stationery shop also, but it's closed right when I was recording, so I didn't record it properly. So this is the juice shop that I've told you. I think he'll be available most of the times, even in the afternoon, evening, until night. Now let's talk about the mess. For the breakfast here is pretty good. It tastes good. And this is how the mess looks from inside. It's air conditioned. They do also serve midnight munchies if you want to buy. And this is how the reception area looks like as soon as you enter. So that's it for this video. If you still do have any doubts, you do comment in comment section and I'll be answering your doubts. And if you do have any doubts about the fees, everything in time and out time, then you can ask me there in the comment section. Thank you for watching.